In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy a BrightFunded account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser. Then from here, you'll need to go up to BrightFunded's official URL, which is BrightFunded.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description. From here, it should be looking something like this. And here you can see you can either get funded or log into your already existing account. So let's say you don't have an account. And to do it, you simply need to click Get Funded right here. From here, you can create a new challenge. You can also change the language up here from either English, Spanish, Polish, or Deutsch up here. From here, you'll need to scroll down and find your balance. And here you can select between 200k, 100k, 50k, 25k, 10k, or 5k. You can also select your trading platform, either MetaTrader 5, CTrader, or DXTrade. You can also select your preference, either a swap account or swap-free account, which will be a little bit more expensive than the normal swap account, but it is the best conditions. Down here you'll also need to select the payout cycle, where you can choose default, which is after 30 days. You can choose bi-weekly or weekly payouts. Down here you can also select add-ons if you want to do that, where you can say 100% challenge fee will be refunded, no minimum trading days, and 80% payout splits. From here, you can see that BrightFunded will accept MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, GPay, or Apple Pay, and also cryptos. But to do it next, you need to click Next right here. From here, you need to add in your information, like email address, and then you'll need to add in the payment. Once the payment has gone through, you'll get an email with a login details, and then you can go up to the home page and click login, and then you can add in your email and then your password. I wish you good luck with your challenge.